We're going to look at the examples of questions on classification of living organisms into kingdoms. Example 1. The kingdom into which the simplest and non-nucleated cell or organisms are grouped is known as A. Animalia, B. Fungi, C. Monera, D. Protozoa. We are talking about should be very simple and having no nucleus in the cell. So, and it's only the kingdom Monera that fits to that description. So answer to example 1 is option C, Monera. Example 2. Which of these kingdoms is not a kingdom of eukaryotes? A. Protista, B. Monera, C. Fungi, and D. Platy. The important word here is that the kingdom must contain organisms that are having nucleus in their cells, eukaryotes. So when you look at Protista, where we have the protozoa and other organisms, they have nucleus. The fungi, they have nuclei. The platy, or the plant cells, they have nucleus. So the answer is Monera, which is a group of prokaryotes, not eukaryotes. So answer to the question is option B, Monera. Example 3. Which group of organisms belong to Monera? A. Green algae, B. Protozoa, C. Fungi, D. Viruses. The answer to that question is option D. It's only D, the viruses, that do not have nucleus in their cells, and they all belong to the group Monera. Example 4. A group of organisms with chitinous cell wall but lack chloroplasts is under which of these kingdoms? A. Kingdom Protista, B. Kingdom Platy, C. Kingdom Fungi, D. Schizophyta. Now, you just have to know each of the groups. The organism we are talking about has cell wall but lack chlorophyll or chloroplast. So it can never be plant. So B is out of the question. D. Schizophyta. This is a group of bacteria. Some bacteria are chlorophyllos. They have chlorophyll. But they may not have chloroplast, but they have chlorophyll. Then we have A. Protista. Protista will have protophytes and protozoa. The protophytes, that's where we have some algae like Euglena, Chlamydomonas. All those ones have chloroplasts. So answer to our question is C. Fungi, which has chitinous cell wall. We have example of fungi with chitinous cell wall, and no fungus is having chloroplast. So answer is C. Option 5. The kingdom Platy consists of A. Flowery plants only, B. Vascular plants only, C. Vascular and flowery plants only, D. Non-trachophytes and trachophytes only. Now, which of them is all embracing, included all the group of plants? A cannot include all because among the plants we have flowery and non-flowery plants. B is not all inclusive because among plants we have vascular plants and non-vascular plants. Then C, vascular and flowery plants. There are some plants that are vascular but they are not flowery. So C cannot answer the question. So we are left with option D, which is non-vascular plants and vascular plants. That is non-trachophytes and trachophytes only. So answer to the question 5 is option D.